We fell out of love like shooting stars, came crashing down, and we're building back up again now.
Hey you guys, it's Leilani
and the Diva,
and we're back to do our unboxing of the Splash gift set from Lush. So if you haven't watched the first part of this video, you need to go back and watch that and then come back so that you can see the other stuff that we got. So I'm gonna open it up. I bought this for myself. Okay.
And while she's doing that, I'll talk.
Yeah.
She really thought that she was getting a deal when she got this, but when we looked it up and we added up all the prices, it's cheaper if you just buy the stuff separate and you get actual full-size product.
Yeah. So.
But it's all good because she hasn't used a lot of this stuff, so she'll at least get to sample things. But yeah.
So we got the. I guess I should have ripped it open, but I'm okay.
Girl, you can use that for somebody's birthday party or something.
So I'm trying to preserve it. We're childish. So, oh.
And then we see somebody's face.
I don't know if I can show that, but
yes, because that's who wrapped it for you.
So should I?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this was made by this cartoon lady.
What's her name? Because I'm pretty sure it's on there.
Marlene.
Oh, when things were packaged, they used to put it on there. Who
made it?
Oh yeah, because this girl made it.
But are these people real?
I think it is. I think.
Oh, okay. So this is what it looks like inside the box. We got these little peanuts over here. That's the most important part. I'm just playing. So this says Splash, and then it has basically everything that's in the set on this piece of paper. It tells you how to use it. So this is everything that's in the box. There's 5 items. Yeah, 5 items. And so we're gonna open this up. Or not open it up, we're gonna talk about each one of them. So the first thing that we have here is the Scenic Shampoo bar, and you're supposed to rub this in your hands or you can rub it onto your hair, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm not.
Yeah. It has all these little
seaweeds.
Yeah.
Oh, well, I just broke one. So, and it smells good. I don't think she likes the scent of it, but I like just.
It's strong and manly, like.
Wow.
For your hair, I think it needs to be more fruity or.
But I feel like that's what the conditioner is, though.
More tropical than.
I didn't get conditioner.
No, you don't.
Okay, then I use my own conditioner.
Yeah.
But I think it smells of the earth.
Exactly. That's exactly what it smells like.
The next thing that we have is the ocean salt, and it is a body scrub. The lady told me not to use this every day. This is the one she told me not to use every day because it's rough, and it yeah, it's just rough on your skin. And
it's
just,
a salt scrub. It will pull the moisture.
Pull the moisture.
Out.
Yeah. And me and the ocean don't do well anyway. I found that out on my face. So we will use this lightly. So it looks like an ocean. You can't really see, but there's like blue in the middle and then
a creamy
like
white.
Tan on the outsides.
Mm-hmm.
It smells like salt.
That's a weird smell.
Yeah, I didn't get to smell that one. A lot of them I couldn't smell because they didn't have it in the store.
I don't know what that's supposed to smell like.
Me either. And then
it's rated a 5 out of 5. It's rated a 5 out of 5. Yes, it's rated a 5.
By 4 people. This box.
Is the box rated a 5 or is that rated a 5? Okay. Okay. Well.
And then the next thing that I got was, I'm never buying this again. The next thing that I got was the Dirty Spring Water Shower Gel, and it's tiny. It's very tiny. It's 3.3 fluid ounces, and it's self-preserving, by the way. It has spearmint and fine sea salt.
Where do you see that?
Spearmint.
Oh, okay.
So it's gonna just smell like dirty. I don't know why I need to smell this. It's gonna smell like the scent dirty. You can take that
it
thing
smells
off.
good. It's just manly.
It's fluid.
Mm-hmm.
It is kind of manly.
It does smell like peppermint, though. Not peppermint, but the spearmint. It really does. You can smell it a lot.
I like this.
So that's gonna wake you up in the morning. So I would use that in the morning too.
Yes.
It's gonna do the same thing that my Sexy Peel will do.
And then the next thing that was in the box was the Outback Mate soap that
it's supposed to look totally different than what she got, but
it looks like this. I think they cut it
at the top.
Like they didn't cut it at the bottom.
They didn't cut it long ways. They cut it right at the top. But this is zingy, eucalyptus, lemongrass, and peppermint.
Oh, it smells so good.
I think I've had this one before.
You have.
Yeah, I have. And I really like their... I don't know why peppermint. I've been saying that I don't like their oceany scents. Because I do like their oceany scents. And I really like that. I do remember that.
And then the last thing that I have is the Whoosh. Sorry. And it is the shower jelly. This is the reason that I got this whole thing, and maybe this is the reason that I got the whole thing, and it is
leaking a little bit, but that's fine.
That's okay.
We'll get it together.
Figure it out. It smells good. Fruity citrus blend helps propel you out of the shower.
Yeah, that's what it says on here too. So,
I mean, I'm not gonna take it out and start whooshing it, but
it shakes like Jello.
Oh, it does. I can take it out. I hope I can put it back in.
I know, child.
Ooh,
you're gonna be a hot mess.
This is the reason I got it. So childish, but
please don't let that go.
Whoosh.
Nowhere.
Whoosh, whoosh. So they said put it in your hand like this and put it on your body. I was like,
yeah,
lady, this is gonna last me a long time.
I wouldn't do the whole thing. You can cut it.
Oh.
She also said that you can cut those into like squares and put them in the freezer, and when you're getting ready to use them, let me smell. Oh, that's good. She said when you're getting ready to use them, you take them out, take them to the shower, and wash with it like that. And so I really like that idea to cut it up and put it in the freezer.
So it went back in there, so we're all good.
Yeah.
And this is also self-preserving as long as I keep it in this little...
It said self-preserving on
SP.
it? Oh, okay. Okay.
So it'll last a long time, right?
Yeah. Because this box said it was supposed to last a year.
A year, yeah. So that's all the stuff that I got out of there. The only thing that I didn't like is it was a little messy. No complaints, but and the sizing.
Yes, I was gonna say that.
The sizing is, I could have got all these things individually and got bigger sizes, but also
I think the only thing that you got that was regular size was
the Whoosh.
The Whoosh and
the shampoo bar.
Yeah.
Everything else I got like a little trial size. But I think this is good for people who haven't had the scents, or you want them to get into Lush, or just if you wanted to try something new and buy yourself something. That's why I got it. But I mostly got it for the Whoosh. for shower jelly because I thought that would be cool.
All right, you guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please go ahead and comment below and tell us what you liked about the video. Also, let me know if you have picked up a gift set from Lush before, because this is the first gift set either one of us has ever bought. I don't think my oldest has bought a gift set from Lush either, and I know my husband hasn't bought one. So yeah, this is the first gift set of this house, so let us know if you have been out there buying up these gifts. All right, and click that like button, and last but not least, let's go ahead and subscribe, and that's it. Bye.
Bye.
I'll be right beside you.